How to get free CapCut Pro for inviting friends. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open CapCut and at the left side below Create or Join, you'll find Share Friends option. As you can see, it's not available on my region, but if you have available, you'll find it there. If you don't find it here, go to Google and search Invite Friends for CapCut Pro. Scroll down in here and you'll find Get CapCut Pro for free with my referral. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, this is not available in my country. It will be available in your country. If it's available, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You can simply click on Copy Invite Link and send the copied link to your friends to invite. After you have invited your friends, when your friends open the link, they'll find this kind of screen pop up. They will need to click on Download for Windows and then add invitation code. After they've add invitation code, you will get CapCut Pro for free. And this is how to get CapCut Pro for inviting friends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.